It's the great game of cricket played between two teams. These two teams have a wonderful historical background. Yes, it's between India and England, and it's a T10 match between India and England. Both are such a great team. Captain Karan is at the toss. Captain Karan have won the toss and he decided to ball first. This is the team of India. Biraj and Abhi are openers. Atharv, Shantanu, Aradh, Rudra are middle order batsmen. Captain Karan is all rounder. Devyan, Shishant, Keshav and Oj are the proper fast bowler of Indian team, and the captain of England is Jayden. You can see the team of India and England both. We have to start the match. India is doing bowling first. It's the first over. Both the batsmen are coming at the crease. It will be a lovely match between the two teams. Jaden and Williams are the opening partners. Captain Karan have taken the command in his hands. Let's see what will happen. Captain Karan is setting his field. First ball of the match. Are you ready for that, guys? Are you excited? First ball of the match, and it's gone for the six. It's gone for the four. It's the commentator mistake. The ball was thrown outside the stump. The batsman has reached its hands towards it and hit the ball for the fourth. Again, batsman try. Oh, again, bowler tried to ball outswing and he was successfully completed that task. And in third ball, he also tried and wonderfully, he had done that ball. Fourth ball, Captain Karan is taking a really good command in his hand. Wonderful bowling by Captain Karan. Beautiful control on his bowling. 5 ball and 5 balls are outswingers. Last ball of the match. And he have completed first over very successfully. You can see the key areas where Captain Karan had bowled the first over. You can see all the balls were outside of the stump. Really great bowling. He know the weak area of Jaden, the captain. Now Keshav have came to bowl. Field changes. Second over, first ball. Let's see what Keshav will do. He is doing bowling to William. It's a great boundary from the William. He hits ball for the four. You can see on the replay. Keshav has also used the same strategy. Batsman has reached his hands towards the ball and he hits for the boundary. The second ball of the Keshav towards the batsman. What batsman will do? Batsman again tried to hit the boundary on the second ball of the second over, but he was not able to. He was not able to gain some runs. Yeah, lovely planning, lovely bowling by Indians. You can see execution of the bowlers. They are executing the plans very well. England have to not forget that it's a T10 match, 10 over match. You have to gain some runs if you really want to defeat India. You have to gain some momentum. Oh my God! Really a great execution. You can see the execution of the second over also. All the six balls were outside the stumps and the batsmen were not able even to touch the ball. Lovely execution by Kesav and the captain Karan. Let's see who will do the third over. It's a T10 match, but India have made it a test match. Wonderful bowling. Oj, the third seamer of this team, Indian team. Oj Keshav and Captain Karan are leading fast bowler of the Indian team. Wonderful, wonderful timing. I think it will go on for the four, and it's the four from the captain Jaden. Will he able to get some beautiful runs in this over, because England really needed one big over. If England will not score heavy runs in this over, then England will go very backward in this match. But India execution of India is really well. They are not leaving the line and length which they have adopted from the first over. You can see all the balls which they are doing. They are simply doing the outswing balls, because they know the pitch in which they are bowling. It suits the outswingers. You can see three dot balls means England have implemented that plan. We will hit the boundary on the first ball. It's the huge, and it's gone for the four from the captain Jaden. Hopefully, hopefully, hopefully it's the last ball, and it's went into the hands of the fielder. Finally, India gets first wicket. Jaden, the captain Jaden struggle is over here. Finally, Jaden was struggling a lot. The ball went into the air directly into the fielder's hands, and the innings of the Jaden, the captain, ended by the fast bowler Oj. Lewis is an attacking right-handed batsman for England, and you can see the execution of Oj also. Yeah, he was also bowling the same area outside of the stumps. It's the fourth over, and finally the Biraj. Biraj is not a proper spin bowler of the team. He's a part timer, but England face lot of difficulties while facing spin. So let's see what Biraj will do. The first ball of the boundary, and this is the really a sweet formula of England to hit the boundary on the first ball of every over. If you will see the each over, so England have started the each over from the boundary. Two balls and two boundary. Williams, will England will able to make this over so big? Oh my goodness, will England will able to do that? We will see that. Again a lovely boundary, crispy boundary, timing, full boundary, and it's a four. Three balls, three fours for the Englands. William is really taking the advantage of part timer. He knows very well that it's a great chance for the England to gain some runs, and he is capitalizing that moment and that over very beautifully. William knows very well, but India also know that it is an outside chance for India to get some wicket. Will India be able to get some wicket? Yes. They bought Miraj for taking the wicket of Williams. He was a set batsman, and he he was the batsman who can hammer the Indian bowling lineup in the last overs, and finally India have taken the wicket of Williams. They bought the Viraj to take the wicket of William, and finally Viraj was successful in that lovely bowling. Last ball of the over. Will Viraj be able to take one more wicket? No, it's a six from the Michael. It's a huge over. It's the 20 runs from the over, but Biraj had also taken one wicket. Uh, next over, next over, Captain Karan. Captain Karan came to ball. Let's see what he will do. 4 over 36 runs for England. Lovely timing, but directly into the hands of the fielder. Batsman was not able to find the gaps between the fielders. Again. Captain Karan is a very clever guy. Means Whenever he is bowling, he always sets his fields wonderfully, but not this time because ball went directly outside of the stadium into the crowds. And in the ground, you are not able to set up the field. It's a six for the batsman. What a wonderful six! Oh my goodness, you can see that shot, and you will not feel bored. It will be a single, yes. I think Lewis and Michael are attacking batsmen of England team, and if you will do any mistake, oh lovely outswinger. Today the formula of Indians are very simple that we have to do the outswinger. We have to throw outswing balls. Captain Karan, Ishant is on the bowling. He is also a spinner, and England have shown that they will attack the spinner, and that's why spinner have came. They will roll their hands, and they will able to take some wickets. That's why spinner it came into the game. Will spinner will able to take the wickets? No, it's a six. It's a U6 from the Lewis. Lewis is into attacking mode, and England are saying if spinner will come, then we will throw them out of the park. You had seen the condition of Viraj. Yes, he had taken one wicket, but we had also beaten him badly. And it's the chance of Ishant, but you can't forget that Ishant is not a part timer. He is a proper spinner of the team, so he knows how to out how to get the wickets of the batsman. And really good bowling from the Ishant. He have bowled four balls and given 8 runs only with two dot balls. So he is using his strategy superbly. Fifth ball of the over. It's big, not no, but not so big. Little bit far away from the bowlers. Otherwise, he had taken the wicket of Lewis. Ball ball bache guru. Last ball of the over. I think Ishant have got the wicket of Michael. Oh no. Seventh over. Who will do the seventh over? It's the question. And Keshav have came to bowl. Let's see what will happen. England are in good position. If they will able to make 80 or 90 runs in 10 overs, then it will be a fighting score. Because England have also some good bowlers, and you will give a fight. You will definitely give a fight to India. Let's. Oh my God! Oh my God! It was a agent. There was no fielder there. One fielder was there, but there were not two slips. There was only one fielder at the gully. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Otherwise, batsmen have taken a long way directly into the dressing room. Kesav have bowled a beautiful ball. Oh my God. Michael can hammer the Indian bowling lineup in last 3 to 4 overs. That's why the wicket of Michael is very important. And that's the four from Lewis. He have scored 21 runs from 11 balls. England are doing really good batting. They can give a good target to India, and again, oh, good fielding. I think that it will be a four, but really a good fielding there from Captain Karan hands. Whenever there is a crunch situation, Captain Karan came in the game and he delivers that. Eighth over, and for the eighth over, Ishant have came spinner. Let's see what he will do. Michael is on the strike. Oh, 64 for to England. If England will able to score 30 to 35 runs, in 17 balls, then it will be a very good target for India. Will they? No. Michael have Michael have to go into the dressing room. Very good bowling from Ishant. And we all knew that England are not a good player of spin bowling. But it is a really great shot from Robert. He is an elegant batsman. He always play with elegance. And yes, he shows that elegance in his first ball. He is also a elegant player with his nature. Uh, he is showing elegancy in his batting. You will not see so many elegant batsmen in England teams. Means they are so much attacking. Oh, lovely spin bowling. Means England where balls always swing. You are not able to see the spin, but Ishant have really beautiful hands. It's big, and it's for the six. With elegance, Robert have showed his power. Ishant had bowled beautifully. He had taken the wicket of Michael. 8 over 74 runs for the England. Not so bad. Oj have came to ball. Oh, ball just went off from the stump. Second ball from the over. It's for the. I think they will able to get 2 runs. Yes. I think if Oj will not give so many runs in this over, it's so big and it's six. Lewis is playing a really a defining knock for the England team, and this knock can give victory also to the England team. But you do not have to forget the Indian batsmen. They are also a powerful, elegant and attacking batsman in Indian team. It's for the four. There is no chance for the fielder. The two fielders are running behind the ball, but ball directly gone from the middle side. There is no chance for the fielder, and it's a very expensive over and a very good over for the England. India, yes, Indian batsmen have to ready. Two spinners and finally Damanjeet have came. D for we don't know D for. Let's see. D for Damanjeet. We can say. Will Damanjeet? It's the first over of Damanjeet. Will Damanjeet be able to take the wicket of Lewis? Will he? Will he? Yes or no? I think yes. And no, your predictions are always wrong, honey. You are not a great predictor. You had said yes, but Lewis is not out. It's the second ball, and it will give single to Lewis. Will England be able to achieve 100 runs or not? Honey? No, England will not able to achieve. Oh, honey, your predictions are always wrong. No, England have scored 94 runs and 3 balls are remaining. Anything can happen. But Robert have played really a great knock. 7 ball, 20 runs. Lewis 19 ball, 33 runs. It's a it's a lovely ball. Will England will able to score 100 runs? Will the prediction of Honey will be right? 98 runs for England. Just one ball remains of this over. 98, 102 or 104 or England innings will stuck in 98. It's a shot and it's a great shot and it's a six. Target for India is 105. Last over Devyans. We had given him name Damanjit. Sorry Devyans. And you can see the Indian bowling. Captain Karan have bowled beautifully 2 over 11 runs. Keshav 2 over 16 runs. But the last over of Oj was so much expensive and Damanjit bowled also expensive over. And Viraj had taken the one crucial wicket, but he had also given 20 runs. But we have to not talk so much about that. India have to chase 105 runs in 10 overs. Will they will able to chase? Let's see. England team is coming by doing a wonderful batting, explosive batting, and with Viraj, Avi is also coming. Right hand batsman will they will able to target the chase of 105 run. It will be a great chase for the Indians. Let's see. First ball for the Indians. And oh, we don't want run outs. We just want so many runs from the Worth Hopeness. We want a solid start. Finally, the opening for the India. It's the first runs for the India on the board. Third ball of the over. Dexter is bowling. Good running between the wickets. 3 runs from the over. Uh, he's changing his variations. He's bowling onto the stumps. Uh, he wanted to play the cut shot, but he was not able to play the cut shot. There is a run rate of 10 runs, and India have scored 5 runs in first over. It will be a great chase. Let's see, will India able to do that chase or not? It will be a if India will able to do this run chase, then it will be a biggest run chase for India in T10 cricket. Previously, they have chased the score of 94 runs against Zimbabwe. Let's see, will they will able to register a big victory. Uh, the ball was onto the stumps. They know that in first or 2 overs the ball will swing so much, so they are not taking so much risk and they are just taking single or doubles to maintain the run rate beautifully, and they have taken the 4 doubles in this over. It's the no ball, and it's the four from the Viraj hands. Viraj is a beautiful timer of the ball. We have seen that now. And it's a free hit too. Viraj will able to take the advantage of that. He have taken the advantage of that, and he hit the ball for the six. It's the Raj of the Viraj. 15 runs from the over. It's the expensive over from the bowler ends, and what a wonderful timing from the Viraj. We had already said that Viraj is a beautiful timer of the bowler, and he has shown it. England were thinking that we have to change our plans. Indians are coming, and it's the fourth. Indians are not stopping. Indians are crushing the chances of England. And that's again the fourth from the Indian batsman. They are not stopping their attacking mode. They are not ready to surrender. Oh, the ball just went little side away from the stumps. It's the beautiful timing. Will India be able to get 4 runs? Yes. 3 fours from the over. England captain face is in worry situation. But, it's the twist in the match. He again tried to find out the boundary. 12 runs have came. No need for the boundary, but he tried and he failed. Ball went into the air and fielder caught it. And England are happy. The captain of England is happy. Atharv came. Atharv, he's that type of batsman. I will hit and I will go. He's attacking batsman. 3 over 36 runs, but you can see the second and third over. Really expensive overs. Fourth over. Viraj. Oh, Viraj wanted to play the shot because they knew that if they have to chase the target, then they have to find out the boundary continuously. But Sebastian is bowling really well to Viraj. Viraj able to perform boundary. It's the second six from the Viraj. It's the U6. Viraj. Will Viraj give India victory lap? Will Viraj will be the hero of India today? It's again the great shot and it will be a six. Two sixes in a row from the Viraj hands. विराज का है राज. कमाल के हैं ये शॉट्स. What a wonderful boundary, my man. You are just stealing the show. And again, and it's the fourth. 3 boundary in a row. Viraj is doing a wonderful bowling. I think he have remembered his over. When the batsman have beaten him so badly, 20 runs in the over, and he said, okay, I can also do that type of things and I am an opener too. Finally, spinner came into the game, but Indians are really good player of spin. They are known as the king of spin bowling. So I don't think that spinner will able to create any impact in this match because pitch is also not a very good for spinners. So let's see. Atharv have opened his account with the help of fourth. India is playing really good cricket. Now the run rate is of 9 only. Atharv have taken a single. Viraj is on the strike. Let's see what he will do. I think he will take single. And yes, he had taken the single beautifully. But really good over from Gabriel. They are not taking so much chances in the over of Gabriel. I don't know why. Yes, Gabriel is doing bowling in right areas. That's why they are not taking so much chances against the Gabriel. Will they will take chance? Let's see. No, Viraj tried to take the chance, but he was not able to successful. He was not successful in taking the chance. India need only 46 runs in 30 balls. It's an easy run chase for India. Atharv is attacking batsman, but he's playing very defend in a different way today. Why he's doing that, I don't know, but he's not taking so much chances today. He's just finding the singles like that in this ball. India needed 46 runs in 27 balls, and in today era it's a easy chase if you have 9 wickets in your hands, and it's a 4 from Viraj. Viraj is not stopping his hands from getting the boundary. Again, he had played the shot and he had taken the single. He is showing his understanding that after hitting the boundary, you have to take the single. You have to not take so much chance. Otherwise, you can lost your wicket too. And Atharv have finally adopted his attacking mode. and hit the boundary for the fourth. India need 35 runs only. England are in back foot mode now. That's the great shot from Viraj, and it's the fourth six from the Viraj hands. Viraj is just pressing the England bowlers under his foot. Viraj is the king of the today. No words to describe this man. Again, he hit the boundary for the four, and with the help of four, he have completed his half century. Take a bow, man. We have really played such a great knock today. It's a it's a series of three matches, and I think India will able to win this match easily. I think they will able to take 2 runs. They had came for three. Will able to take, yes. Very good running between the Viraj and Atharv. Atharv is on the strike. What a shot, man! What a shot! No words to describe that shot from Atharv. It's the main bowler of the England and you are hitting him like that. Oh my goodness. Just see the ball when the ball went into the air, and it's the 50 runs partnership for both the batsmen. 23 balls and 54 runs. Indians are really in very attacking mode today. They have shown that they are here to win. They do not want to lose the match. They are Indians, and Indians knew that how to win anything. They are winners. They have winner mindset. And especially I am impressed by the mindset of Viraj. What a knock played by him. Means in today India is going to make the run chase of highest runs. Lastly, they had scored 94 runs against Zimbabwe. And today, it's the fourth for Atharv. And you have to also appreciate the understanding of Atharv. Means he have played a very good knock today. He have taken single doubles and scored boundaries in between two. Such a great display of great batting. I think it will be four for Atharv. India need just 2 runs. They have crushed the England very badly today. Will India? Oh, I think um, India will win the game in next or two balls. And yes, that's the end. That's the end of the today game. Viraj have hit the winning shot, and it's the victory of India. All the Indian players are very happy. They are all hugging to Virat and Atharv. Such a great partnership by both of them. India won the won the match by 9 wickets, and it's the man of the match, Viraj. Let's see. We will meet with the second match of the series. It was the first match of the series between India and England, and India have won the match with the wonderful contribution of all the bowlers and with the wonderful partnership of Atharv and Viraj. And finally, India have won the first match of this series. We will meet soon with the second match of this series, and we will see what will happen there. Till that, stay connected with us. Yay cricket. Yay. Thank you very much.